Imagine living in a space that perfectly encapsulates the vibrant energy and timeless elegance of New York City. A place where the raw, industrial beauty of a loft meets the sophisticated allure of luxury living. From towering ceilings and panoramic views to rich textures and eclectic designs, these living rooms are a testament to the artistry of urban style. Whether you're drawn to sleek, minimalist spaces or crave the opulence of Art Deco revival, this showcase of loft living rooms will captivate your senses and inspire your dream home transformation. The Art Deco Revival Loft is a celebration of luxury and glamour, inspired by the bold, geometric designs and opulent materials of the 1920s and 30s. This style is perfect for those who love the drama of statement pieces and the elegance of rich textures. Imagine a spacious living room with high ceilings, adorned with intricate details like gold accents, mirrored surfaces, and plush velvet furnishings. The overall effect is one of sophistication and extravagance, making every moment spent in this space feel like an occasion. Color plays a significant role in the Art Deco revival style. Deep, luxurious hues like emerald green, navy blue, and rich burgundy are often contrasted with metallics such as gold, brass, and chrome. This creates a dynamic and glamorous look that is both bold and refined. The use of geometric patterns, whether in rugs, wallpaper, or upholstery, adds a sense of structure and rhythm to the room, enhancing the overall aesthetic. Furniture in an Art Deco loft is all about making a statement. Think of sleek sculptural sofas, mirrored coffee tables, and lacquered sideboards. Each piece should feel like a work of art, contributing to the overall sense of drama and luxury. The key is to balance these bold elements with more subdued pieces, ensuring the space feels opulent but not overwhelming. A few well-placed vintage items can also add authenticity and depth to the design. Lighting in an Art Deco loft is typically glamorous and dramatic, with chandeliers, sconces, and floor lamps that add a soft, ambient glow. Metallic finishes and mirrored surfaces help to reflect light, enhancing the sense of space and creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. Large windows are often left undressed or adorned with light, sheer curtains to allow natural light to fill the room during the day. Accessories in this style should be carefully chosen to reflect the opulent, glamorous nature of Art Deco. Think of a collection of vintage barware, a series of bold, graphic prints, or a statement mirror with geometric detailing. The goal is to create a space that feels luxurious and curated, where every item contributes to the overall sense of elegance and sophistication. The Vintage Glamour Loft is all about timeless elegance and luxurious comfort, combining classic elements with a modern twist. This style is perfect for those who appreciate the charm of vintage design, but want the openness and light of a contemporary loft. Imagine a living room with high ceilings, large windows, and a soft, muted color palette. The space is adorned with elegant furnishings like velvet sofas, crystal chandeliers, and marble coffee tables, creating a look that is both sophisticated and inviting. Color in a vintage glamour loft is typically soft and neutral, with shades like blush pink, dove gray, and creamy white providing a serene backdrop. These gentle hues are often contrasted with richer tones like deep burgundy or navy, adding depth and drama to the space. Textures play a crucial role, with plush velvet cushions, silk drapes, and shaggy rugs adding layers of comfort and luxury. The result is a space that feels both opulent and inviting, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Furniture in this style is elegant and refined, often featuring classic shapes and luxurious materials. A tufted velvet sofa, a gilded mirror, or an antique side table can serve as focal points, adding a sense of history and charm. The key is to balance these vintage pieces with more contemporary elements, such as a modern glass coffee table or a sleek minimalist bookshelf. This mix of old and new creates a dynamic and visually interesting space that feels both timeless and fresh. Lighting is essential in a vintage glamour loft, where creating a warm, inviting atmosphere is key. Crystal chandeliers, elegant table lamps, and wall sconces are often used to add a soft, ambient glow to the room. Large windows allow for plenty of natural light during the day, while carefully placed lamps and fixtures provide cozy illumination in the evening. The goal is to create a space that feels bright and welcoming, with just the right amount of sparkle. Accessories in a vintage glamour loft should be carefully curated to reflect the refined, elegant nature of the style. Think of a collection of vintage perfume bottles, a series of framed botanical prints, or a selection of elegant books arranged on a marble-topped side table. Every piece should feel like a treasured find, adding character and charm to the space. The result is a living room that feels luxurious, personal, and effortlessly stylish. The vintage glamour loft is the perfect blend of classic style and modern comfort, offering a luxurious and inviting space that feels both timeless and contemporary. Whether you're drawn to the opulence of Art Deco or the relaxed elegance of a bohemian loft, there's a New York loft style for every taste and personality. The modern minimalist loft is the epitome of sophisticated simplicity, focusing on clean lines, functional furniture, and a calm, neutral color palette. This style is perfect for those who appreciate the beauty of an uncluttered space and the luxury of thoughtful design. Imagine a spacious, open-plan living room with sleek, low-profile furnishings and an abundance of natural light. Every piece serves a purpose, contributing to the overall harmony and flow of the space. The result is a serene, airy environment that feels both modern and timeless. The color scheme in a modern minimalist loft is typically monochromatic, with shades of white, gray, and beige creating a cohesive and calming atmosphere. This neutral backdrop allows the architecture and furnishings to stand out without competing for attention. To prevent the space from feeling cold or stark, subtle variations in texture are used to add depth and interest. Think of a wool rug underfoot, linen throw pillows on a sleek sofa, or a brushed metal coffee table that catches the light. Furniture in a modern minimalist loft is all about form and function. Pieces are streamlined and often multifunctional, designed to maximize both space and utility. A modular sofa, a minimalist coffee table, or a set of nesting side tables can be easily rearranged to suit different needs. The emphasis is on quality over quantity, with carefully selected pieces that make a statement through their simplicity and elegance. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating the right mood in a minimalist space. Natural light is prioritized, with large windows and minimal window treatments allowing for an unobstructed flow of daylight. Artificial lighting is subtle and strategic, with recessed lights, floor lamps, or pendant fixtures providing soft, even illumination. The goal is to enhance the sense of openness and tranquility without overwhelming the senses. Accessories in a modern minimalist loft are minimal but impactful. A single piece of abstract art, a sculptural vase, or a well-placed plant can add just the right amount of visual interest without disrupting the serene vibe. The key is to choose items that enhance the overall aesthetic and reflect the personality of the space without adding unnecessary clutter. The industrial chic style is a quintessential representation of New York loft living. Characterized by exposed brick walls, steel beams, and an open-plan layout, this aesthetic turns raw materials into striking design features. Imagine a spacious living room with high ceilings and massive windows that flood the space with natural light. The juxtaposition of rugged elements like concrete floors and exposed ductwork with soft furnishings like plush leather sofas creates a balanced yet edgy atmosphere. Every piece of furniture is carefully chosen to maintain a minimalist vibe while offering maximum comfort. In this design, the color palette remains understated, focusing on earthy tones such as grays, browns, and blacks. This neutral backdrop allows for subtle pops of color through artwork or throw pillows, creating visual interest without overwhelming the space. The interplay of textures is also crucial, with metal, wood, and leather elements adding depth and character. Lighting plays a pivotal role in defining the mood, with industrial-style pendant lights and exposed bulbs providing a warm, ambient glow against the stark backdrop of raw materials. Furniture in an industrial chic living room is typically streamlined and functional. Think sleek, modern lines with an emphasis on comfort and practicality. A low-profile leather sofa paired with a reclaimed wood coffee table can anchor the space, while metal frame bookshelves or a vintage bar cart add both storage and style. The key is to keep the space uncluttered, allowing the architecture and materials to take center stage. Accessories should be minimal yet impactful. Large-scale artworks, sculptural pieces, or vintage industrial finds like old factory clocks or metal stools can serve as focal points. Plants can also soften the industrial edges, adding a touch of nature and life to the space. The goal is to create a living room that feels both sophisticated and inviting, a place where the raw beauty of the materials is celebrated rather than concealed. Industrial chic is not just about aesthetics. It's about embracing the history and character of the space. It's a style that pays homage to New York's industrial past while offering all the comforts of modern luxury. Perfect for those who appreciate a no-frills contemporary look with a touch of rugged elegance, this style is all about turning the ordinary into something extraordinary. The classic New York brownstone loft brings a touch of history and elegance to the modern urban lifestyle. This style draws inspiration from the stately brownstone buildings found throughout Manhattan and Brooklyn, characterized by their warm, inviting atmosphere and rich architectural details. Picture a living room with high ceilings, ornate moldings, and a grand fireplace, creating a backdrop that's both sophisticated and cozy. This design is perfect for those who appreciate traditional elegance but want the openness and light of a loft setting. The color palette in a classic New York brownstone loft typically revolves around warm, muted tones like deep browns, creams, and soft grays. These shades complement the natural materials often found in these spaces, such as exposed brick, hardwood floors, and stone fireplaces. The goal is to create a cohesive and timeless look that feels both welcoming and refined. To add depth and interest, consider layering in rich textiles like velvet curtains, plush rugs, or leather armchairs that evoke a sense of luxury and comfort. Furniture in this style is typically traditional, with a modern twist. Think of a tufted leather sofa paired with a contemporary coffee table or a vintage sideboard alongside a sleek modern armchair. The mix of old and new creates a dynamic contrast that's both visually engaging and deeply comforting. The key is to balance the room with pieces that speak to the history of the space while incorporating contemporary elements that reflect a modern sensibility. Lighting is crucial in a classic brownstone loft, where creating a warm, ambient atmosphere is key. Chandeliers, wall sconces, and table lamps are often used to highlight architectural features and add a soft glow to the room. Large windows with elegant drapes allow natural light to flood the space during the day, while carefully placed lamps and fixtures provide cozy illumination in the evening. Accessories should be carefully curated to reflect the refined, elegant nature of the style. Think of framed vintage prints, a collection of classic books, or a statement mirror above the fireplace. Plants can also add a fresh, lively touch, bringing a bit of nature into the sophisticated urban setting. The goal is to create a living room that feels both timeless and tailored, a perfect blend of past and present. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with us any design ideas you'd like us to feature in our next videos. And until next time.